I decided to paint with makeup. I know. What is that? How is that possible? Well, I didn't really paint with makeup. I just used makeup in my artwork. Yeah. And why did I do this, you ask? Quick backstory. I guess some time ago during my uni years, I was going through a makeup stage. Needless to say, I don't really wear what I have as much as I should, and I wasn't going to waste it. So, yeah. Once I decided that this was something that I was going to do, using makeup to create art, I got some additional makeup stuff, just the powders, dark and light, for the use of skin tone. So, if you want to see how I got from this to this, stay tuned. I started off by using a random brown acrylic paint color as the base, which I must say was looking a little bit orange. But I chose to do this to get rid of the white in the background and also for the makeup to have some texture to hold on to. Paige isn't really like face that hold on to. Yeah, okay, alright, cool. I didn't really care about how I was applying the paint or anything like that because my plan was to use the makeup, particularly the makeup powders, to do most of the work to create the tones and the shades and so forth. Keyword, my plan. That was my plan. Okay? Creating art with makeup, right? Oh, well, we'll see how that goes. As you know, or if you don't know, you'll find out that it is a regular habit of mine to work all over the place. So here I am working on the lips and those gray areas on the cheek and the nose. Well, that's the makeup powder. But wait, we soon get there. So right now I'm switching between powders and adding some other makeup stuff. She looked great. She really looked great. She looked dry, ashy. It's not working for me, okay? So I'm adding eyeshadows, highlight, anything. May I add anything because I know where may I go for and where you see and where may I go for. But I still did not like the colors I was looking at. They were not pleasing to my eyes. I was limited with colors to create the shades and highlights that I wanted, so I added lipstick. So yeah, you see, we're creating shade, and we just gotta mark it up, add some highlight, yes. Then we gonna blend, yeah, see, blend. This is what we do in makeup, right? We blend. The key is in the blending. Yes. It not too bad. It not too bad, man. It can go on. overall, I like these colors. I like these colors. She looks feminine. She looks like she still look a little bit crusty, but she's giving that soft, feminine, natural look. She's not perfect. It all didn't work out as planned. Well, as imagined, cause I really didn't plan anything. But let me know. What do you guys think? Yay or nay?